Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. Sound of energetic, upbeat music fading slightly into background. Voiceover. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Star Atlas Deep Dive. We just wrapped up Atlas Brew number 175, and let me tell you, it was a fantastic session, brimming with community spirit, exciting announcements, and some really insightful discussions about the future of the DAO. The vibe was super positive, kicking off October with a bang, as the hosts Santi and Jose put it. The biggest buzz from the event definitely came from Lancer, one of our DAO council members, who unveiled the ambitious plans for Super Phoenix Sports and their Star Racer League. Imagine this, a massive racing event broadcast live from Solana Breakpoint in Abu Dhabi on December 13th. Lancer detailed how they're building a full team, from stream producers and play-by-play casters to camera operators and even fun police to ensure fair play. What's even cooler is they're actively looking for more talent to fill these paid positions, offering a chance to build your resume and really impact the Star Atlas ecosystem. It's a huge community-driven initiative, and Lancer's passion for it was absolutely infectious. But that wasn't the only big news for the community. We also got a quick update on sync development, with the team making solid progress on the dashboard. A group of testers is already lined up, ready to start putting it through its paces this week for about 2 weeks. After which we can expect some even bigger announcements, so keep those eyes peeled. Speaking of community involvement, there are some crucial proposals on the table right now that need your vote. PIP-19, focusing on independent economics research, is still live for a few more days. And coming live in just a few hours from the event are 2 brand new proposals. PIP-20, championed by Signal, aims to create a DAOcaster role. This proposal seeks to elect and pay 5 content creators for 3 months to promote Star Atlas to a broader Web3 and gaming audience, with half the budget going directly back to the community through giveaways and challenges. It's a fantastic way to support organic creators. The second, PIP-21, is the Rogue Data Hub from the Skull and Bones team, a vital database and API for developers, indexing all of Solana's Star Atlas programs. It's a year-long project aimed at filling the void left by Flipside, providing essential data for analytics and research. Both of these are now live for voting, so head over to govern.staratlas.com and make your voice heard. Beyond new proposals, the DAO also reflected on its journey so far. The current DAO Council, including Lancer, Emperor, Dr. Carlos, Signal, and Bod, is nearing the end of its 9-month term on January 11th. We heard that re-elections are fast approaching, with the self-nomination period starting late October, campaigns in early November, and voting commencing late November. To boost transparency, the Council has launched new DAO reports and DAO links channels, making it a one-stop shop for all their accomplishments, meeting minutes, and essential resources. It wasn't all smooth sailing, though. The Council openly discussed some of the challenges they faced, with approved PIPs not hitting milestones or lacking communication. Dr. Carlos emphasized the importance of proactive communication from PIP authors, stressing that the DAO is there to help, not to point fingers. The takeaway? Building a strong reputation for delivery and transparency is key, as future funding decisions will increasingly rely on an author's track record. They're looking at new rules to mitigate risk, like not paying the full amount up front. The event also sparked some interesting forward-looking discussions, particularly around the idea of paying council positions. While controversial, there was strong sentiment from Santi and others that the council's 9-month commitment and the significant time invested, often on weekends and after full-time jobs, warrants some form of remuneration, even if symbolic. Another hot topic was Emperor's idea for an automated, decentralized TLDDR, too long, didn't read. Basically, an AI-generated recap of council activities, potentially in audio or video format, to make DAO happenings more accessible to the wider community. And yes, they even briefly touched on the spicy idea of an AI council member inspired by a real-world precedent. Looking ahead to their final months in office, the council outlined its commitment to continued transparency, streamlining information, and boosting community engagement, especially around voting periods. They're also planning a month-long overlap period with the incoming council to ensure a smooth, knowledge-rich handover. As the event wrapped up, the atmosphere was one of anticipation and engagement. Don't miss the Economic Forum tomorrow, where Jose, Chris, and Gareth will dive into the latest quarterly economic report and brainstorm Sage economy updates. On Friday, there's the Gallia game night with crew pack raffles, and as always, the Saturday Council office hours are a standing invitation for you to engage directly with the DAO Council. So that's your recap, folks. A huge thank you to the council members for their dedication and transparency, and to the community for their active participation. Make sure to vote on those pips, join the upcoming events, and maybe even hop into the arena for some UE5 shooter action. We'll see you around, Star Atlas. Upbeat music swells and fades out,